All right, so how did the Octave 12-inch Vista mattress stack up in my test? So I gave it an 8.6 out of 10. Not bad. Overall comfort, I'd give it an 8. Pressure and pain relief, I gave it an 8. Motion transfer, I gave it a 9. Pretty exceptional. For a Canadian-made mattress, it's strictly available in Canada, by the way, selling for $8.99 in queen, $11.99 in king. It performed really well. It's a little bit better quality than a lot of memory foam mattresses I've tested and reviewed. Motion transfer, 9. I would call that really good, 9 out of 10. So 9 being, kind of undetectable, a good couples mattress, even if you got a light sleeper involved. Turning, ease of turning, I'd give it a solid 9. Edge support, not as great, maybe an 8 or so. So if you need a mattress that you are concerned about getting in and out of, transfer issues, you might want to look at something else that's a little taller. So 8 is not a bad rating. Intimacy, I'm also going to give it an 8. If you're a bigger body couple, then you may find that you sort of nestle in the middle a little bit, which may be not a bad thing, but you might find yourself having to kind of work a little bit harder to get out. If you're a typical height and weight, no issue whatsoever. Odors, none. None of the Octave mattresses, either the Vista, the Mirage, or the Horizon, had any smell issues when you first take them out of the bag. That's actually a real big plus. Value, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. At this price point, you don't see a lot of memory foam mattresses that are going to have the quality, the density, the caliber of materials used for this. You consider the cover, and it's particularly the underlying support foam layer, the big thick layer, the 8-inch layer underneath. Cons, again, negatives would be if you're a bigger body person, up over 225 pounds or so, probably would look at something else. But not bad for a kind of a starter mattress, entry-level mattress. It's a real good offering, priced right, 365-day trial, 15-year warranty. All right, let's take a look at the Octave Vista mattress. Their Vista mattress is sort of the entry-level model of their 3-mattress lineup. And I'll give you a quick overview of what's inside this mattress. From the top down, as with the other 2 Octave mattresses in the entire line, we have what they call their cryofusion cooling nanofiber cover. That's basically mattress industry speak for a pretty good stretch knit cover. It's really well made, and it actually it'll keep you from getting caught up in the fabric. It won't bunch or gather. It's really nice, got a little bit of quilt to it, and it's filled with something called nanofibers, which are very small hollow fibers that actually help with air transfer and sort of act as an insulator. There's also a little bit of phase change technology in this quilted fabric, which helps convert heat to cool and actually wicks away some of your body heat. So it's actually a really nice covering to have. It's even removable. You can unzip the zipper, take it off, wash and dry it. I love to see something like that built into a mattress that's at this price point, which is $8.99 Canadian in a queen, $11.99 in a king. It's a good thing to see. As far as the mattress insides itself, the bottom layer is 8 inches of their multi-zone support foam, which is just basically a high quality, high density foam. And actually, this is a much better foam than I find in a lot of lower priced memory foam mattresses, where they're using actually a lot of higher priced mattresses too that use this as a building block or a base layer, and it's not firm enough, it's not dense enough. And this material here is at least what I would say what's called a 34 to 36 ILD density, and that's really what you want for a base layer, especially if you're bigger bodies. Now I would say there's a limit on this mattress up to probably about 450 pounds combined, whereas you might want to look at something else rather than go with an all foam mattress like this, maybe something with coils. But for anybody in that size range or smaller, it's definitely going to work for you. Right up top, we have this layer of copper gel memory foam, which is something that all 3 of their mattresses have right up top in direct contact with your body. It's a 2-inch layer of copper infused foam, and you see these specks here as we show in the other models. That is actually the copper infusion in with this foam, and that helps with removing heat, insulation, and also it's naturally antimicrobial too. Right below that, we have a 2-inch layer of Elastex foam, which is essentially just a more springy, cushy foam that helps with motion transfer. It helps with pressure relief. And if you put pressure points into this, you can really feel it give. Although if you're laying on it, really good float factor. 365-day trial, 15-year warranty, just like the other Octave models, but a good entry-level mattress that you won't be disappointed with. I rated it pretty highly, but I would also recommend it in lieu of purchasing another memory foam mattress that could potentially cost you more and not really deliver more on quality or contents.